Hello everyone, I'm Virginia, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, then welcome back. Thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm just going to do a quick fall-inspired makeup look. I actually am headed out for a meeting, so it's kind of like a get ready with me. I'm just going to meet some friends for a meeting that we have where we review scripts with each other. And I was feeling like, because it's been very hot and then also kind of cold for a while and now it's hot again, it's just kind of hard to get into the fall spirit of things. So because we're getting closer to Halloween and also to Thanksgiving, I wanted to do a kind of makeup look that was a little bit more fall inspired. I usually do purples as my eyeshadow color because my eyes are brown, but I wanted to do something that's a little bit more fall appropriate. So here we go. One of the first things I do obviously is tie my hair back. It's just very difficult with my hair falling in my face to get my foundation on. So I just kind of twist it into a little bun in the back. Obviously not very nicely, but that's fine. Okay, so I do usually start with my concealer. I know some people like to start with foundation and then put concealer on, but no matter how much I try, it's not the right match. It matches my skin when it's just my skin, but it doesn't match when it's over the foundation. I don't know, it's kind of weird. So I just leave it on I just put it on first, and then I don't have to worry about that. So I'm just gonna cover all the main stuff that I want covered. Also, in case you haven't noticed, I have another video actually where I kind of talk about what the regular makeup that I use is, but this is Maybelline Age Rewind, and it's just a concealer. It's an eraser dark circles. That is not grammatically correct, but that's what it says on the package. So now I'm moving on to my foundation, and my foundation is also Maybelline. I found that a lot of my things were Maybelline when I was making a different makeup video. But yeah, I guess it just I find that their stuff matches my skin better than some of the other brands. So that's what I use. Also, this has SPF 18 in it, which is great because I usually forget to put sunscreen on. I mean, I remember, but after I put on all my makeup, and that's not very useful, is it? Okay, so in case you hadn't noticed, I do put on my makeup with my fingers. I don't really use an applicator. I just use my fingers because it's easier and it keeps the makeup from going everywhere. And also, I do go in and wash my hands before and everything. Okay, so my foundation was, I just said Maybelline, but it's called Fit Me. Dewy Smooth is the type of foundation. Now I'm moving on to my eyeshadow. I'm using the dark brown that's on this palette just as a background for the other colors that I'm going to put on. That way there are no gaps, because some of the colors I'm going to use are pretty light. Do the outer corner first because I'm going to do orange on the outside and then I think kind of red on the inside, and then white, not white, but white gold on the inside. Oh, also I did want to thank the people who've been commenting on my videos. So here are the names of some of the people that have commented on my last few videos, and I just wanted to thank them because, it's really nice to have participation and stuff from people, and also thank you guys for showing your support and being active. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the redder color. It's kind of a pink red. I didn't want bright red. I also don't have super bright red. I'm just going to put that in the middle of my eye, sort of, well, middle toward the center. Okay, so I just put the kind of white gold toward the inside, corners of my eyes. And now I'm just going to kind of blend it together and make it look more even and not 3 different colors. Okay, so I have my eyeshadow on now, and I think I'm gonna line this one. I usually don't do eyeliner, but I feel like to kind of, I don't know, ground like the eyeshadow, I need eyeliner, especially because like these are lighter colors. I usually use kind of purples, so they have their own like darkness to them. Now, oh, I forgot to tell you, I did use primer on my, like above my eyes, just so that the eyeshadow sticks better, by the way. And my primer is actually e.l.f. primer, and it's called Poreless Face Primer. You can get it like anywhere, obviously. And then my eyeliner, which I'm about to use, is also e.l.f. and it's just like a regular liquid liner. So now, in an attempt not to poke my eyes out, I'm just going to try and get my eyeliner done. I think maybe I have kind of thought of a technique, which is to start with the eye that's harder for you to draw and then move to the eye that's easier for you to draw, because then you can match it to the bad eye, if that makes sense. I think that works. I think that's what I'm going to do from now on. Okay, so now my eyeliner is done. That actually looks better than I thought it would. It's so hard for me to do eyeliner, but yeah, it turned out okay. So now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. They don't need much, I just like fill in the gaps kind of. This is Wet n Wild. It's a retractable brow pencil. Yeah, I think I use like medium brown, just so it's not like too intense. I'm just brushing them into order, and it doesn't take that long for me to do that. And next, I'm gonna move on to my eyelashes. I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I've kind of been wondering about lash lifts, so if any of you guys have any recommendations or like warnings or opinions about lash lifts, then let me know like down in the comment section. I want to get one, but I have been wondering like if it's worth it, and like, I don't know. I have pretty long lashes, so I think it would work. It's supposed to be like kind of like a lash perm. So if any of you have gotten a lash lift, or if you like know about lash lifts, then yeah, leave a comment and like with recommendations. Okay, so now I'm just going to put on my mascara. I have some, I think it's Wet n Wild too. I just have Wet n Wild mascara. I used to have a mascara that I really liked, and it was called Manga Mascara. And they discontinued it, so that's disappointing. I feel like every time I find a favorite product, it gets discontinued. Now I'm going to do my powder a little bit, just like some blush. I am going to be eating, and I probably will just wear like my regular chapstick. I have this like Wet n Wild, it's not really chapstick, a kind of like lip balm, but it's like tinted. And I also have like other tinted lip balms, but I'll probably wear this one just to match. I want to give this like a more finished look. So for right now, I'm going to put on this like lipstick that I have. This is also Maybelline. It's Perfect Plum lipstick. Okay, so now I have the kind of like finished face. I have on eyeliner and mascara. I also used a little bit of eyebrow, like filler brow pencil, and then I put on lipstick. So I have orange, kind of an orange gold to the outside of my eye, like on the outer ends, and then a reddish pink in the middle, and then on the inner corners, I have a kind of white gold color. Okay, so now we have the finished fall makeup look. It's just a little bit darker than what I usually go with, and it has some oranges and reds to it, so I feel like it gives off a pretty good fall vibe. I also think that this makeup look definitely requires some eyeliner just to kind of like ground the colors and make it look more finished. But I also think that this fall makeup look will also help me get a little bit more in the fall vibe. Also, since I am headed to a friend's house, I think I will stop on the way at Starbucks, because another good way to get into the fall atmosphere is eating things that are fall flavored, like things like that have pumpkin in them or cinnamon in them. I did have pumpkin pancakes the other day. Today I'm really feeling something with pumpkin spice flavoring, so I'm just going to head out and do that. I love when I go down a street that's basically a one-way street, even though it wasn't marked that way. But there are too many cars on it for it to be a two-way street. Okay, that's just driving in LA for you.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the right.
Starbucks has a super long line. Wow, their line literally runs the length of the building. Well, they actually have quite a few things. Okay, so they have a pumpkin spice latte, a salted caramel mocha frappuccino, a pumpkin cream cold brew, pumpkin cream cheese muffin, pumpkin scone. That actually sounds good. Can I have an iced pumpkin spice chai latte?
What size?
Tall.
Sure. Anything else?
Nope, that'll be all.
It comes with 3 and 3. Do you want to do half of it?
What do you mean?
3 pumps of chai and 3 pumps of pumpkin.
Oh.
It's a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe like, can you do like more chai than pumpkin?
Of course. Anything else?
Okay. Nope, that's all.
Alright, that's it. The window. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we have got our latte. Oh wow, that's so strong. But it tastes like pumpkin, it really does. I think the chai actually helps like bring out the pumpkin. I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very fall centered video. If you guys liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, just to remind you guys, I am now posting on Mondays. So that's when my new videos will be up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.